Well, here we are at the ranch. Dinkum. Moving cows. What are you doing here? Flying the drone?
Flying the drone.
Looking for some cows. Where's your drone at?
A mile that way.
A little easier to fly the drone, look for cows.
You can hear it.
I can hear the drone. We'll bring you back here in a minute when we land the drone.
Coming back.
Here comes the drone. It's hard to see it. It's up there with that hawk flying around. So what'd you do, about a mile lap? Holy crap! You know how to fly that thing? Get it landed on this top of the roof. Maybe we can video it crashing. Did you head those cows up the hill with it? Just got to go down the canyon and gather the cows and head them up that ridge right there onto the field. We got a little herd of cows. They're just about a half a mile over this hill down in the bottom of the creek. Sent the drone down to chase them. He'll gather them up and head them up that trail over there, and they'll come out on that field here in a few minutes. Bring you back. Yeah, the battery's low on the drone, so we're going to fly it back and change the battery and then send it back down the canyon. But the cows are starting up that trail, headed for the field. Zoom in here. And there you are. Yeah, we'll change the battery out. We'll go back to the cows.